There's a new IDE in town that is beating Cursor and Windsurf. It also has an agent built into it, and it's completely free. Trae is a AI IDE that transforms entirely how you work and how you build things. It was created by ByteDance, the creators of TikTok. What's great about Trae is that it uses models that we know and love, like Claude and ChatGPT. It also collaborates with you to build things very, very easily. It has this new feature called the Trae Builder mode, which uses its AI agent to break down and execute on tasks that you want it to make. It also helps you to build things from zero all the way till production. It also has a chat mode that helps you run and build and develop things that you've already created. And as you can see, you can create images to clarify your requirements, such as giving it inspiration for the apps that you want and how they could look like. You can also give it context by tagging specific workspaces, folders, files, even code snippets. So if you have a problem, instead of Trae analyzing the entire code base and wasting tokens and wasting time, you can tell it exactly what to focus on. So it's very efficient and very good. It also has smart completions. If you're into that, that's something we're used to and it's very old. You can download it here. I'm going to leave the link down in the description, and we're going to today create something with Trae and display it at the end. And I'm going to show you guys why I love this IDE so much. So let's get started. So once you've logged in and you're set up with Trae, you'll notice that you have your folders here. Trae test. I've been playing around with Trae to try it out. We did a to-do app and a snake game, and it was really good at making those two. But we're going to go ahead and select Trae test. Here on the sidebar, we have the search where you can search through your code base. We have source control. We have a web view, which is new, where you can preview your web application directly on your IDE. Cursor and all of them don't have this. You need to install an extension for this. I love that Trae ships it directly with the original app. Also has a nice debug mode, which is very helpful when you have some bugs. And then you have an extension store. And the first thing you should install from the extension store is the Prettier Code Formatter. I highly suggest it. That was the first thing I installed when I got into the industry. Anyway, so you have two things. You have the chat mode. And as I said, the chat mode is basically something that you can ask, or a mode where you seek advice from Trae for already existing projects or repositories. So you can tag your workspace entirely and ask it to go and analyze the entire code base and add some things to make it more efficient, or to fix bugs, or to look for security vulnerabilities or anything, while the builder mode is more for people who want to build projects from scratch. We're going to focus on the builder mode today because that is the mode that most people are going to want in order to build their startups and apps and their mini projects. And I'm also going to give it an image of a to-do app so we can see if it can actually mimic exactly what we want. So let's go ahead. I'm going to search for a to-do app that I like the look of, and then give it to Trae and see what it can do. Okay, so we want to create a to-do app with designs similar to the image I've added, and feel free to use modern libraries like Tailwind CSS. So it's going to go ahead and add a new ph.tsx for us, and then edit it out. I previously tried to do it with ChatCN and Tailwind CSS, but I've been running into problems with ChatCN, and I don't want to start bug fixing this. I just want to see what Trae is able to do without any problems and hiccups. I've successfully created a modern to-do app that closely matches the provided design. Okay, so we can accept all and then start it up. So now it understands with the agent-like capabilities is that it is only the basic app. I wanted to start the project, but it identified that it hasn't gotten to the point where it is fully developed like I asked it to. So it's going back and then editing things here. So we should see that the page.tsx file is going to be edited and fixed up. So to do app with a beautiful UI functionality, we can accept all, save it, and then run. Let's check the development service successfully started. Let's proceed to open it in preview. And this is my favorite part, is we can open it in web view directly here. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead in the app.tsx. We see a red error here. I don't know why that is there, actually. That's might have caused the error, actually. Yeah, so npm install, I might have clicked a button by accident to create that. So npm run dev, we can run that. It's going to go on the local host. It's starting and it's ready. We can go on web view here. Awesome. So it created the website very similar to what we asked it previously. As you can see here, there's a new task button and that, and then there's a trash here button, and then just do create YouTube video, for example. And yeah, this is basic to do app, and it was able to create it from a screenshot. So you can theoretically get a screenshot of anything you want on the internet and develop it and get inspiration from it. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I'm on the way to reach 20,000 subscribers by the end of this year, and only you guys can help me. I'm almost at 11,000 subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much for the support. I can't believe that we're getting this many views and this much support on my videos. I'm very excited for the future and what this channel has, what's in store for the future for this channel. I'll see you guys on the next video and in the next AI tool video. But for now, that's it for today.